This is what adulting is. It's just crazy. और रहना था फ्लैट में और छोड़ना था हॉस्टल. अगर मैं अभी सोई तो फिर मेरा हो गया. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is another series of living alone with me, and I am currently going out for grocery shopping, so I need to get ready. I just had a shower and now I'm quickly gonna get ready because iske baad I have to film some videos as well, so I just thought might as well get ready only. तो वीडियो के लिए मुझे बाद में अलग से रेडी नहीं होना पड़ेगा. So yeah, let's quickly get ready and leave. Hi, so I'm about to leave and I'm gonna pack my bag quickly. I'm gonna take my wallet, put it in the bag, and I'm gonna take my sunglasses and my scooter keys. Got both the things. We are ready to go. Let's go. Guys, this is the fit. I am wearing this top that I got from Zara. These pants are from H&M. I wore them last year in Thailand and now ये मैं घर पे पहनती हूँ. So yeah, the slippers are Birkenstock. This bag is Fendi. I got this from Japan and I'm in love with this bag. I use this bag so much. It looks small but actually it's the perfect size. The glasses are Ray-Bans and yeah, the hair is wet but ठीक है. Okay, let's go. Just finished grocery shopping and now I'm having a matcha, and after this I need to go buy fruits, so we're gonna do that and then head home. Yeah, overall I like this matcha. It's really good. I had it with oat milk and I think matcha tastes better with oat milk. So if you don't like matcha with regular milk, try it with oat milk. I think it's better. The milk taste, it doesn't overpower the matcha with oat milk and it's better. So hi guys. I spent like 2 hours grocery shopping, and I have recently, like in the past year, realized घर में कितना सामान लगता है और कितना लाना पड़ता है. I'm very tired. और एक तो पूरा उठा के लेके आना, insane guys. मम्मियों को हम ग्रांटेड लेते हैं. मम्मियाँ, bless all the mothers, God knows how they do it. मैं अकेले के लिए करके थक जाती हूँ. मम्मियाँ तो जो लाइक कितने 5-6 लोगों के लिए करती है, और जॉइंट फैमिलीज वाले तो फिर हो ही गया फिर. सो मैड रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल द मॉम्स आउट देयर. इट्स क्रेजी. मेरे मुंह पे पसीना देखो. इट्स सो हॉट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड इतनी गर्मी है, और एक तो सब इतना महंगा है. लाइक all these things, it took me like 2K for everything. Like मैं 2000 रुपीज लेके गई थी. I was like इतना नहीं लगेगा. महंगाई बढ़ गई है. I feel like such a mom. This is what adulting is. It's just crazy. But let's do a grocery haul because we can still make this fun, right? तो मैं किचन में, आई थिंक मुझे तुम्हें किचन में लेके जाना चाहिए. सो लेट मी move all of this stuff to the kitchen and then I'll show you things that I've gotten. And मुझे ये सब रखना भी है. Icing on the cake. ये सब लाया है उतना काफी नहीं है, ये सब रखना भी तो है अपनी अपनी जगह पे. So let me quickly get the things. I'm coming back. Got 3 bags full of stuff. Sprite lemon and mint flavor. Let's try this. Actually, I'm super excited for this. Lemon anything is like my favorite. Tastes like a mojito. I like it. So I got this. I got bread. Then I got popcorn. This is like agar movie nights hua so this is like microwavable popcorn. Some spices. So I got dalchini. I got long. Another part of adulting is तुम्हें दालों के बीच में का डिफरेंस पता चलता है. लाइक तूर दाल एंड मूंग दाल आर डिफरेंट एंड उनके शेप एंड लाइक आई कैन टेल द डिफरेंस which I never thought would be possible, but living alone teaches you many things. Guys, I'm trying to clean my fridge and ये जो drawer है वो अंदर ही नहीं जा रहा है. But it was so dirty, so I had to clean it. Let me figure this out, guys. और रहना था फ्लैट में और छोड़ना था हॉस्टल. See, I'll tell you the thing about adulting is that मुझे ये सब करना अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, I know how I'm going to feel after I see my fridge एकदम clean and it's gonna make me so happy. You know, so that's how you know that you've turned 20. और ये सब मैं मेरे अपने घर पे, मेरे मम्मी के घर पे मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करती ये सब. And that's the difference. So if you want to live alone and your parents are not convinced, show them this video. उनको बोलो मैं ये भी सब करने लगूंगी and it's going to be insane. Finally मेरा fridge थोड़ा साफ हो गया है. I'll actually see you guys after a while right now because बहुत मैंने kitchen का चीज़ें दिखा दिया है. I don't think nobody is that interested in all of this, so I'm just gonna go. I'll see you when I do some other work. I am currently working. I need to figure out a script for my videos, so I'm doing that. I'm having water. In my previous videos I used to have a lot of coffee in the day, but I've stopped drinking a lot of coffee. Also मुझे मेरे बाल को देखिए कुछ तो हो रहा है, but I'm too lazy to fix it right now, so let it be. I'm reading 2 books currently. I'll talk about the other book later, but I'm reading this. It's Play Bigger. It is about how rebels and innovators create new categories and dominate markets. So I'm reading this. currently इतना हो गया है. I read this like a textbook, so I have a pen with me and I basically like underline and I write down a lot of things. If कोई वर्ड का मीनिंग मुझे नहीं पता तो फिर मैं वो गूगल करके उसका मीनिंग ढूंढ के इसमें लिखते रहती हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक हैविंग अ पेन विथ मी. बट या, hi. So I'm drinking the lime Sprite. I love this color, it's so cute. But anyways, I just finished editing one video. It took me an hour to edit it, but I'm really happy with the video. Anyways, now I have another video to edit, but my laptop ki battery is dead, so I'm waiting for it to charge. And I've ordered some food because mujhe bhook lagi hai. It's almost 4, so I am a little hungry. I'm gonna have that and then I'm gonna read a book. I was gonna tell you guys about the second book that I'm reading, so I'll just quickly get that. Everybody knows about the book. Yeah, so I'm reading Verity by Colleen Hoover, the famous lady, famous author. I finished halfway through the book and I started it 2 days ago. So because of work I don't have a lot of time, but रात को मैंने बहुत chapters पढ़े, so I kind of want to read this. But the problem with the book is that if I sit with it I will spend like 2 hours, and अभी honestly मेरे पास time नहीं है just to read a book. I have a lot of work, so that's why I'm not even opening the book. But I am halfway through. I think और 2 दिन में ख़त्म हो जाएगी. If I did not have any work, I would have finished the whole book in 2 days. But ठीक है, काम ज़्यादा important है. But yeah, I really like it. And इसकी picture आ रही है. There's this movie coming out which has Anne Hathaway and Dakota, which is insane. I saw the trailer and then I read the book, so that now I can visualize the whole thing, and it's really nice. I'm having a lot of fun. Anyways, guys, I just had lunch. It is 5 p.m. I am really sleepy क्योंकि अभी इतना ठूस के मुझे नींद आएगी ना, और क्या होगा of course. Oh, I changed my nose piercing. Did you guys figure it out? Anyways, I have done a terrible mistake of coming to my bedroom and lying down on my bed. This is a danger zone during the afternoon because अगर मैं सो गई तो फिर मैं उठूँगी 4 घंटे बाद. So I'm not going to sleep. I'm just gonna lay down, do a little bit of time pass for about an hour, and then 6 बजे मैं जाऊँगी gym. तो I can't sleep because अगर मैं अभी सोई तो फिर मेरा हो गया.